Guys, we're putting the backhoe back on. Okay, you got your power beyond. That pops off. That's yellow. That goes to your power beyond on your backhoe. Then you line up your red line, goes to the back. The lines are all marked, like I said. Then your blue line. And you're hooked back up. All the hydraulic lines have been disconnected, super easy to do. Now you just gotta back the tractor back into position. Make sure your trunnions on the frame of the tractor align with your backhoe as best you can. Then you just start up the tractor, back it up. It's gotta come back about another inch. See how these pins line up? Real easy. Should never have to force the pins in. Pull your boom up. Put your dipper in, curl your bucket. All done. It's that easy. On and off in under 5 minutes.